craft friends, Tracy here with Sweet Bay Lane. In this video, we're going to be DIY crafting using those fun wood round cutouts. Now this project I'm doing is for a customer of mine, and I thought I'd take you along for the crafting journey. So maybe you can make one for yourself, friends, or family, or as a gift. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Here are just some of the supplies you'll need for this DIY. You'll need a 14-inch wood round. I purchased these from Hobby Lobby in a 3-pack. You'll also need some stain and paint of your choice, some painter's tape, and since we're personalizing this, you're going to need some personalized vinyl decals. I also picked up this gel stain from Hobby Lobby. It's actually a replacement for the Americana gel stain. I guess they're going to stop carrying that. But anyways, I wanted to give it a try. So I stained both front and back of my wood round. Once I had both sides stained and it had dried completely, I now want to add a stripe of paint across my wood round, and to do that I'm going to take some of this painter's tape and tape off a 5.5-inch stripe. Then I took some of this gorgeous beige acrylic paint and I painted my stripe. I started by using a makeup sponge and getting it around the edges and along the paint edge just to give it a good seal before I came in with my paintbrush and covered it completely. The makeup sponge keeps it from going over the edge of the wood round. Now that we have our stripe painted and it's dried, we're going to peel or remove our painter's tape. And fingers crossed, our lines have not bled. And thankfully, our lines are nice and straight. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now we're going to personalize this, and we're going to start by taking the main initial, which is going to be, in my case for my customer, a large D. And we're just going to attach it to our wood round in the center. Now we're going to take our name and we're going to put that across our beige stripe and over our large letter D. Once we remove the transfer tape, you're left with this design. Now I'm going to embellish this one with this greenery, and I'm just going to take pieces of it and staple it to the top of my wood round. When I'm making these items for customers, I like to give them a little extra security with the staples. Now that we have that done, we can just add our favorite bow. I'm going to take this beautiful ribbon, make a twisty bow, and add it to the top of our wood round. I'm going to be using some high temp hot glue, which really holds up in the outdoor weather and makes a very secure bond. Now they're going to be hanging theirs on their front door under a covered porch, so I'm going to add a twine hanger. I'm going to glue the strands down and then cover them for extra security with some beige felt. Then you're left with this beautiful personalized door hanger. It makes a perfect gift for friends and family as well. I love how this turned out, as did my customer. What do you guys think? Are you going to make some of these for yourself and friends and family? I hope so. If you're still in the crafting spirit, go ahead and click on this box over here and it'll take you to a playlist of more wood round DIYs.